Get ready to evaluate your beach days with these 12 innovative gadgets. These clever inventions promise endless fun, extra comfort, and total convenience, making your time at the beach truly unforgettable. Beach egg. The beach egg is portable, compact, beach safe, measuring 9 inches tall by 6 inches wide. It's designed to keep your valuables safe with its tamper-proof lock and sturdy ABS plastic. Resistant to sand, water, and theft, it's lightweight enough to fit in any beach bag. With the beach egg, you can fully unwind and enjoy the sun, knowing your belongings are secure. Beach bag. The beach bag is more than chair, it's your ultimate beach companion. Folded up, it measures 30 inches by 24 inches, featuring a durable aluminum frame and weather-resistant fabric. This multifunctional chair includes built-in cooling and storage compartments for drink and snacks, so you can relax and stay refreshed all day long. Ziprise board. The Ziprise board is a versatile water sport board that measures 5 feet by 2 feet. Its bonnet lightweight design supports up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for wakeboarding, kneeboarding, or surfing. Easy to use for all skills level, this board guarantees hours of fun on the water. Boast surfing fin. The Boast surfing fin is a small yet powerful electric fin that weighs 1.7 pounds and measures 10 inches in length. Attach it to your surfboard for a boost in speed and performance, with up to 20 minutes of extra propulsion per charge. Its tough water-resistant design handles ocean wave with ease. Catch more wave and ride better with the game-changing gadgets. Sea bike. The Sea bike is a lightweight portable water bike that measures 50 inches when assembled. Pedal your way across the water at speed up to 6 miles per hour, exploding like never before. Easy to transport and assemble, it's perfect for both fun and fitness on the water. Fun Air Super Sweet Slide. The Fun Air Super Sweet Slide is a thrilling inflatable water slide stretching 25 feet long. Made from heavy-duty PVC and equipped with built-in sprinkles, it ensures hours of slippery fun. It's easy to set up and store, making it perfect for family summer adventures. Spray. The Spray waterproof drone is perfect for capturing amazing aerial view over the water. Weighing just 2 pounds, it has durable polycarbonate shell and even floats on the water. With 70 minutes battery life, it's easy to control and create incredible photos and videos. Whether you are a water sport fan or just love great footage, the Spray is must-have. Pool Candy Splash Runner. The Pool Candy Splash Runner takes a pool logging to new heights, measuring 66 inches by 40 inches. This motorized float has dual propellers for smooth movement and an easy-to-use control panel made from durable PVC. It supports up to 300 pounds and delivers effortlessly relaxing fun. Mega Beach Fair Portable Gas Grill. The Mega Beach Fair Portable Gas Grill is your beachside barbecue essential. This lightweight stainless steel grill measuring 24 inches by 18 inches and it's both durable and rust resistant. It heats quickly and evenly, letting you enjoy delicious grilled meal right by the waves. Beach Grip Dog Beach Anchor. The Beach Grip Dog Beach Anchor keep your free friend safe and close by. This 12-inch rust-proof anchor made of stainless steel firmly secure in the sand. It's easy to install and give pet owner peace of mind while their dog enjoy beach playtime. Say goodbye to wandering pets and hello to stress-free beach fun. Cool Zone. The Cool Zone cooler is must-have for keeping your drinks and snacks chilled. With a 30 quart capacity, durable wheels, and telescope handle, it's easy to move around on sandy beaches. Its keep items cooled for up to 48 hours, so you will always have cool refreshment at your fingertips. E-Beach Wagon. The E-Beach Wagon makes carrying all your gear a breeze. Measuring 48 inches by 24 inches, this electric-powered wagon can transport up to 150 pounds at a speed of all miles per hour. Its all-terrain wheels make it perfect for sandy beaches, saving you effort and time.